Okay, this is my forklift truck. It's a mixture of designs. The body is from 1956 manual, and the chassis is from a 1962 manual. I did that because I wanted the forks to tilt. A forklift with non-tilting forks is not much use to anyone. I completely changed the mechanics. It has 4 motors inside. One does the lifting. A little bit noisy, but it works. It steers left and right on the back wheels. Too slow, unfortunately. The wheels move too slowly and the steering wheel goes too fast. That's just a factor of what gears I had left to get it right. Not enough. It moves forwards and backwards, and the forks tilt, which is an addition to the 1956. You can see the control levers actually move. They don't actually do the controlling, they're just there to look good. Similarly with the up and down, the lever moves. Okay, so let's do a little bit of work here. Go forward. We'll drop the forks down. We'll tilt the forks forward. And we'll back out. And there we go. That's it. Time to take it to pieces.